Experiencing a black screen or no sound in your Volvo XC40's infotainment system can be frustrating. These issues often stem from software glitches or hardware problems. First, try a soft reset by holding the infotainment system's power button for 10 to 15 seconds. This reboots the system and often resolves temporary software issues. If that doesn't work, check your audio settings and Bluetooth connections to rule out simple connectivity problems. If issues persist, consider more advanced solutions. If a soft reset doesn't fix the problem, a factory reset via the settings menu or Volvo app may be necessary. But remember, this will wipe your data. Ensure your XC40 has the latest software updates, as Volvo frequently releases over-the-air OTA updates to address common issues. If hardware failure is suspected, such as a faulty screen or audio module, or if you've already tried these steps, contact a Volvo dealership for professional diagnosis and repair, especially if your XC40 is under recall for infotainment issues. Ignoring persistent problems can lead to further complications. Some repairs may be covered under warranty or recent settlements.